Hey guys, welcome back to a new video. In today's video, we'll talk about AI agents and that will be created utilizing n8n. So, without wasting any further time, let me talk about today's solution and the fundamentals for which will be RAG, that is retrieving informations from a data source, augmenting that information as per the user's ask, and then generating the response as per the request. Let me elaborate it for you. Let's say if it's like a user like you and me, we can ask question in the form of prompt to an AI agent. Then what happens behind the scenes is that the AI agent then sends a request to something called as vector database, which acts like a knowledge repository, which indeed is then connected to the data source. In our scenario, the agent that we'll be creating will be connected to a Google Drive. So again, the agent will be basically the vector database will be connected to the Google Drive, and within the Google Drive will be having folders that will contain PDF. So basically, that will be text-oriented informations, and this text-oriented informations will then be sort of divided into something called as small bits and pieces of chunks. So basically, this small text are then divided into smaller chunks for better understanding of the models, and so that uh, within the vector databases, utilizing embedding models, we can convert this text-oriented informations into numerical data that can then be stored within the vector database. So what happens is that this text-oriented informations are then first divided into chunks, and these chunks uh, are then uh, converted into numerical sort of datas utilizing the embedding models as per the similarities. And once the prompt request, as per the prompt's request, will find similarity within this embeddings or this vectors, and then give responses in the form of ranks back to the AI agent. And then post that, the AI agent utilizing the LLM capabilities as well, because obviously that acts like a brain for the AI agent. What it will do is that it will then send back the response to the user, and that's how we get our responses provided to us. So yeah, now let's go to the practical approach, because that's the most exciting part. So yeah, just give me a minute. So first, just click on n8n, just type that thing in, and the first uh, website that appears is of n8n itself. Just sign in quickly. If you're a first time sign in, then don't worry, you'll be able to sign in pretty easily. Let me see. Okay, so let's say if I want to open an instance, then for you I think it will appear like this. Just a minute. So okay, so you can create a workflow from here if you want to. uh, Go to admin panel. Just a minute. So this is the dashboard for me. Just click on open instance. I think it will be a blank screen for you, and then just click on create workflow. The workflow will appear. What we'll do is that, as it's going to be, I mean, we're going to create a rack sort of a solution. So we'll start with the data pipeline and the vector database part. Let me just type in data pipeline and vector database. Okay, and let me reduce the size for reference, and let's change the color to something that will be popping, right? So let me make it, let's say, red for this consideration. What we'll do is that for let's click on node first of all. We'll need to find out Google Drive, specific folder. So for you, if it's for the first time, then you can create a new credential. uh, you can click credential from here, and then what you need to do is that, if it's for the first time, authentication service account. Okay, so for the first time, then you can click on open docs. Once you click on open docs, the prerequisite part shows Google Cloud. Click on Google Cloud quickly, and then sign in. So I have the this thing in front of me, the Google Cloud. what I'll do is that I'll go to the console. Yeah, so once the console opens, there'll be testing for you or something like that. For me, it's my first project, it's written. Let's say I want to create new project, then I can just click on new project, and let me name it as rag demo 12. Okay, rag demo 12, and let's click on create. So rag demo 12 is going to be created now. So yeah, it will take a couple of seconds for it to create. Once it's created, click on select project, and once you have selected the project, what you need to do now is that you have to basically click on rag demo 12. You'll be able to see all the details over here. Don't worry, just click on API services, embedded APIs and services. From here, what we need to do again is to take the Google Drive API. Yeah, and once we click here, we need to enable this. It's simple up till here, right? So again, it will take a couple of seconds. So we have enabled the drive, right? Google Drive API. Let's click on O consent screen. So basically, utilizing this, we'll be able to provide consent so that the uh, this particular Google Drive can be connected to the n8n. So let's name it as rag demo 12, and Kumar Jha. Since we are not going to use a Google workspace, so we'll be using our own personal email ID, hence external. Click on next. Again, Kumar Jha Rushabh @gmail.com. Just use your own Gmail ID out here. I agree, continue, and then create. And now what we'll do is that now we'll click on audience on the left hand side. Since we are not going to publish this app, what we'll do is that we'll just add quickly the user, that is me myself, rushabh@gmail.com. I'll just quickly say Kumar Rushabh. Ensure that your email ID is correct. Okay, I have saved it, and now what we'll do is that the user is added. Let's go to clients and create client, web application demo rag 12. uh, Need to redirect the URL now. Let's click on URL. Let's go to this place, copy it from here on your n8n and just paste it. Okay, let's paste it. Now what we'll do is that we'll just copy the client ID, go here, paste it, go back to your Google Drive, take the client key, and then paste the secret key as well. Once you do so, just click on sign in with Google. Yep. So basically, you can just sign in right now. So click on sign in with Google, sign in with your provided account, and then click on continue. Once it happens, select all. Just ensure that all the uh, you know the rights are provided, and click on continue. Once you do that, it will show that the connection is successfully established. click on the close icon, otherwise it will sort of close within 5 seconds. And then what we'll do is that we'll go back, and Google Drive account 3 is the one. uh, what I'll do is that I'll just open my Google Drive, Google Drive, that is here, and then sign in with your own personal email ID. Just go to my drive. uh, I'll take, it's like Gadget Galaxy is already something that I've created. So this is the file, the PDF that I'll be sort of uploading. So it's like a store policy. The store's name is Gadget Galaxy, and then these are policy, which are policy terms which are already mentioned out here. I'll mention this PDF in my GitHub along with the JSON file. So don't worry, you can just copy it from there and utilize it as well. So basically, it's already present in Gadget Galaxy. So what I'll do is that now I'll go back here. I've chosen this one from list, from ID. Let me see. So Gadget Galaxy, uh, and then okay, yeah. So what I'll do is that I'll just click on by ID. Just a minute. So go to by ID, Gadget Galaxy, it is, and then we'll go back. Okay, there's some issue. Never mind. We'll just open it quickly and see what's the issue. Okay, so I have to select it. Okay, files created, and then let's fetch the test once. Yeah, it's working perfectly fine. We'll see the schema and table format. So yeah, let's see just the file name, is it correct or not. Where's the file name? It must be here. So you can see Gadget Galaxy Store policy. Yeah, it's already present. Good to go. Let's go back. The first part is done. What we'll do now is that we'll sort of create the uh, the Google. Let's click on Google Drive and download file. So we'll first we fetch the ID and the file name. Now we'll create this thing. Google Cloud 3 download. Yes, we'll go to by ID because otherwise that will be a problem. So now we'll just find out from here the file name. So let me find it out. So where is Galaxy? Let's see, file, upload, data. Okay, just give me a second. Probably I just need to delete it quickly. And then Google Drive, download file, select this one, download from list by ID. Need to find Galaxy from here. Okay, I got it. Just need to drag and drop it here. Okay, okay, yeah, it's working now. And quickly I'll execute this step. Once you execute it, you'll be able to see exactly what's going on. So yeah, it's working. You can download this file. It's now. So we have downloaded the file over here. We can download it again once from here if you want to. If not, then it's good to go. Version, file name. We don't need any of it. Let's go back to canvas. Post this, what we'll do is that uh, we'll now connect a vector database. In this scenario, we'll use Pinecone. Pinecone vector store, and then uh, add documents to the vector store. For that, let's now log in quickly to Pinecone, pinecone.io. Let's log in. Just use it again. Use your own email IDs for this. It's pretty simple. Once you are in here, uh, click on Pinecone. Probably this is how it will show for you. Uh, Click on get. This is how the things will. The screen will appear for you. Just click on begin setup. Once you click here, now what we'll do is that we'll simply name it demo rag 12. Okay. Okay. Let's do it as something simple. Rag 12, and we'll take text embedding 3 small because that's the least consume. I mean, the cheapest one. And take AWS again. Don't forget to convert the dimension to 1536. AWS Virginia. Okay, this is good to go for me. And yeah, create index. Once you do this, again, don't live yet. First, yeah, let it. Okay, it's showing no records, no namespace, no nothing. Good. So let's go to API key and create a fresh API key for ourselves. Demo rag 12 and create key. Just copy the key, go to n8n, find code 12, so create a new one, 12, and find code account 3. Good to go, no problem. So we'll give all the request and things to it. Details are good to go, connections is fine. Let's save it. So after doing this, what we need to do is that let's go back to Pine. I think let's go to index. Let's click on here. We'll go to namespaces and we'll create a new space for us. So once you come here, what we have to do is that we were first. So you can see there's no namespace data over here, and it's okay, fine, don't worry. We'll click on my workflow again. Go check whether we are connected to the right account or not. It's okay. Insert documents. We'll select demo rag 12 as it's our name. Name it something. Let's say demo rag 12, and then yeah, we'll just come out. Embedding document, what we'll do is that we'll take embedding OpenAI. So again, for the same thing, you have to create a new credential. For me, I already had created something, but if needed, you can just go to OpenAI. Go to OpenAI. Okay. Let's say I click on log. Okay. So this one, API platform. Log in through your account, and yeah, just again go to API references or dashboard. In this case scenario, let's go to dashboard. API key, create a new secret key, demo rag 12, create a secret key, and just copy it, just paste it out here. So I'll do that, and I'll name it as demo rag 12 as well. AI. So yeah, that's good to go. Let's save it. I've created that demo rag 12 it is. I'll take it as small because that's what I chose before. And yeah, just click back on the canvas. Now what we'll do is that for the embedding document part, it's done and dusted. We got embedding OpenAI. For the document part, we'll use default data loader. Don't worry, it's good to go. Since the file that we're talking about is not JSON, it's binary. We'll choose binary file. Okay, and load all inputs. Okay, good to go. Automatic, yeah. and we'll choose as custom and click on uh, text splitter for us. So what we'll do is that now we'll use text splitter and use recursive character text splitter because it keeps content, or I mean the basically the data in place, and it understands exactly all the informations in a better manner as well. So the context remains preserved using recursive character text splitter better. So I'll use that, and I'll use the basic one only. After that, just click on back to canvas, and I think we are good to go. So let me just rearrange it a bit, and I think we'll be good to go. So here is my OpenAI default loader. Let me just check it quickly if it's working fine or not. Yeah, so it's working fine. And over here, if you see, now the chunking has been done. Okay, so we have something was embedded document and document again splitter as well. So basically in embedding documents, it converts it into basically your vectorized numerical informations, and on the document part the chunking is done. So yeah, if you remember the first rag fundamental description that I gave, then it will be much clearer. So yeah, this part is done now. Let's quickly check the, okay, let me minimize it so that I can click on open, and let's go a little below. Let's click on open, and you can see how the chunking has been done. Those 5 chunks have been done, and you can see it out here. Over here it shows 5 items. So yeah, this part is done. Now we are left with the chatbot part. So before that, let me add another uh, small note. So it is client uh, AI agent or client chat agent. Okay, and we'll change the color to, let's say, blue. Okay, for example. Post that, what I'll do is that I'll just quickly use agent, okay, AI agent, and what we'll do is that we'll see content chat triggers. Okay, I don't have to do anything out here, just take it simply out here, and what we'll do is that we'll also take a chat trigger. So chat trigger, fine. So what I'll do is that I'll just quickly connect the dots, and yeah, basically post that what we'll have to do is that we'll have to increase the size, take few things into. So for the chat model, what I'll do is that I'll use open router. Again, similarly for open router, don't worry, just click on new credentials, go to open router AI, and just simply log in. So click on open router. So I've already logged in, but for you, if you are first time, then you can log in very easily out here. Go to models, don't worry, click on open router, and then click on keys. Go to API keys, create a new API key, name it as demo rag 12, and simply let's click on create. Just copy it, go to n8n, paste it out here, and sharing is fine, details is okay. So let's now save it. So once you save it, it's good to go. It shows that the connection is done. Let's click on cross, and let's select the model now. Let's say I take cloud sonnet. Okay, let me take sonnet uh, 3.7 for my use case, and yeah, we'll go back. So that part is done. Now for the tool part, what I'll quickly do is that I'll just click on the uh, so we'll connect it, I mean we'll connect the memory back to the Pinecone again, right? So let me find out Pinecone vector store. Yeah, account 3. Yeah, yes, okay. Retrieve documents. Yeah, that's what I want. Yeah, and what's this part? access in policy and FAQ information from the database, and choose. And now from here we need to choose demo rack 12, and I think, yeah, we are good to go. So Pinecone vector it is, and I don't think so. I mean, we can add the embedding again. So for this, the embedding will be embedding OpenAI. So we were using demo rack and small, and yeah, it's good to go again. So quickly see if it's working fine. Yeah, it's working fine, and yeah, that particular agent is also, I think, good to go. Can you what are the shipping policy? Let's see if it's able to respond perfectly or not. Okay, there is some problem. Let me see what it is. Pinecone vector. I don't think so it's needed. Okay, let's see. Demo rack 12. Okay, it's good to go. Okay, we have to select the Pinecone namespace. I forgot that. What was it? Demo rack 12. I think that was the name. I have to check Pinecone on screen. Demo rack 12 it is. Yeah. So that was the issue. We'll select demo rack 12, and yeah, and go back, click on embeddings, and then select embedding OpenAI demo rack 12. And I think it's small. It's good to go now. Hopefully it should work now. Let's see. It works. It should work. Let's see. Yeah, it's working fine. Great. So a small mistake can cost you a lot. So be very wary of how you use it. Let me make it a little cleaner. First of all, let's make it a little cleaner. So I have full space. Let me adjust it here. Put this part as this part here, here, and then adjust it better. So yeah, basically I think this is looking much better. And just add another topping over on top of it. That is, let's say, so note the one, and then just name it super. Okay, I cannot see anything. Super AI agent, and yeah. So what I'll do is that I'll just quickly bring it in the middle, and yeah, it's good to go. Let's okay. I copied it. Just a minute. Change color, make it as green, and I think it's good to go. Probably let's check the workflow. Everything is working perfectly fine. Let me ask a question. What are the shipping policy? Let's see if it's able to respond properly or not. So it's working. It's see, it's giving us a response. So let me take out a very proper response. Then we see it's able to give us the response. 3 to 7, 1 to 3 business days. If you see over here, we go to uh, policy, shipping policy. Where is it? See, 3 to 7 business days, 1 to 3 business days. It's working fine. And yeah, this is our first AI agent, and again we have used simply RAG to basically work on this particular solution. So yeah, that's it guys. I hope that this particular video was really useful, and if you like the video, then don't forget to subscribe the channel and also like the video as well. At the same time, I'll catch you guys in the next video, and until then, keep reimagining data with AI. Thank you.